Hey crafties, so this is Kimberly with Sky Creations. I'm here to teach you how to make a paper flower. So for this process, we are going to be providing you a free template for this SVG. I am using the Encore textured cardstock from the 12 by 12 cardstock shop. For this particular flower, you'll see it's a Mardi Gras purple, and as you see here, we're cutting everything. You will need 4 of the larger petal sizes, 2 of the medium size, and 1 of the smaller size. So we will begin with the larger sizes. You can stack them either together in sets of 2 or individually, just depending on how comfortable you feel. We're going to curl the petals going upward, and you can use a weeding tool, a kebab stick, a sturdy toothpick, even a pencil, just depending on what makes you feel most comfortable. We do want to have a nice curve to each of these petals here. I did it for the first 4 layers. Now we're doing the middle layers. You'll need 2 of these, and I stacked these together to make it a little quicker for us. And then the smallest layer here. So as you can tell, I'm going to try to shape this flower, and it is just not the shape that we wanted. So this is a cute trick for you to be using. You can go ahead and use scissors and cut inwards into your petals. So as you see here, I'm going about 60 or 70% of the way into the actual petal, and now I'm able to curl them together and make that beautiful bud that makes the flowers flowy and 3D. So as you see here, I'm doing that with the largest 4 layers. I'm going to continue with the 2 middle layers here, rolling one into the other, and then when they're upward, doing a nice twist to get that shape of the bud going. So you'll see I am doing that with every single shape and size, and this will just help add the dimension. So we're going to continue with the largest layer. I am using the Barely Art glue as you see here. The important part when you're stacking these together is either using a paper tool to shape the flower to create more volume and forcing the petals going upward. You want to be placing each individual layer in a staggered position from the petal below it. So as you see here, I was pointing that out. You don't want to do one on top of the other without staggering, or else it's not going to create that volume that you are looking for. So we are continuing with the 4 bottom layers, continuing on with the 2 middle layers. And as you see here, as I'm putting each layer, I do roll them up and let the flower petals go upward. And this, I'm encouraging the paper to stay in the position that I want. I use a paper tool to put the center, and here is our flower. To finish this project, we are going to be curling some paper leaves as you see here, using the same process using a kebab stick. I hope that you enjoyed this crafting tutorial, and make sure to like and subscribe to the 12 by 12 cardstock shop for more great paper tutorials.